Hey there! Before we dive into the magic of ManyChat automation, make sure you click on the link in the description below for a special offer. So, have you ever felt like you're juggling too many balls and one's always about to drop? Well, imagine you had an extra pair of hands, or four. Enter ManyChat automation, your new best friend in business. Picture this. You're asleep, dreaming of sandy beaches and coconut drinks. And meanwhile, ManyChat's working away, answering customer queries, sending out promotions, and even collecting feedback. It's like having a dedicated employee who never sleeps. And no, it won't demand coffee breaks. Now I know what you're thinking. Automation sounds technical and I can barely work my smartphone. But trust me, ManyChat is as user-friendly as grandma's apple pie. With a drag-and-drop interface, you can set up automated responses faster than you can say chatbot. And get this, ManyChat doesn't just talk to your customers, it listens too. By analyzing interactions, it helps you understand your audience better than ever. Imagine knowing your customer's favorite ice cream flavor before they even mention it. Oh, and did I mention integrations? ManyChat plays well with others. From Shopify to Facebook, it's like a social butterfly of the tech world. Your marketing campaigns will be as smooth as a Yorkshire brew. So, whether you're a small business owner or a marketing guru, ManyChat automation can save you time and boost your sales, all while you're kicking back with a cup of tea. Alright, if you're ready to take your business to the next level, don't forget to click that link in the description below and grab your special offer. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Cheers to a more efficient, profitable business.